Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing good today. So today we're going to talk about something on the edge computing and how it is going to screw us on various factors. So without wasting any time, just get into the video. Security. Edge computing can increase the security risk associated with the data storage and processing as sensitive data is stored and processed outside of traditional centralized data center. What could be a proper example for this? If an edge device is compromised, it could potentially be used to gain access to other devices on the network, putting sensitive data at risk. This is literally it will screw us, right? Privacy. Edge computing can raise a privacy concerns as personal data may be stored and processed logically, the potentially without adequate security measures are in place. Interoperability. Edge computing requires a device to be able to communicate with each other and which can be challenged if devices are using different communication protocols or standards. Scalability. Edge computing can be difficult to scale as adding a new device to the network can require significant effort and resources. Reliability. Edge computing can increase the complexity of the network, which can make it more difficult to ensure reliable operations. For example, if edge device fails, it could impact performance of the entire network. Complexity. Edge computing can be more complex than traditional centralized computing as it requires devices to be able to communicate and coordinate with each other. Maintenance. Let's see how it is going to screw. Edge computing can increase the maintenance requirement for device as they may need to be updated or repaired more frequently than the device in a centralized data center. Power consumption, sorry for the N, I forget to add on it. Please apologize. Edge computing requires device to be powered and connected to the network, which can increase the power consumption and potentially contribute to the climate change. Edge computing can be more expensive on the cost perspective than traditional centralized computing as it requires more devices and infrastructure to be deployed. Fragmentation. Edge computing can lead to fragmentation in the technology industry as different vendor may implement different edge computing solution, leading to the compatibility issues and lack of standardizations. So this is all about like how exactly the edge computing will screw us. I hope you might have liked this particular video. We'll see you on the another good content. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe and hit a like button. Happy learning. Bye bye. See you.